You should be using AI as your own personal marketing department. And let me show you a workflow that allows you to do just that at scale. So here's the workflow, built it inside of N8N without using any code. And let me show you how it works. Basically, you find some sort of like marketing material online that you like, some sort of ads, some sort of images, whether you're trying to copy it or just have the same general style. For example, I have this from Create. I found this on Amazon. They do creatine gummies. I actually have my own company that does something similar, and I was looking for something to emulate for marketing. So I took this image, I combined it with my packaging, I put it all into this Airtable that's hooked up to that automation, and it then generated images that combine the two, right? It took that original Create styling and put my branding on it. So what does that all mean? That means you can use workflows like this that use ChatGPT's new image generation model to start putting out some really high quality online advertising and imaging. Now, I'm not saying you should go and copy every good image and just put your own branding on it like you saw in the example, but you can start getting really, really good stuff just by feeding ChatGPT images and advertisements that you like. And now the obvious question is, why would I use something like this workflow, when I can do this natively inside of ChatGPT, right? You could go in there right now, feed it a bunch of images and tell it to do just that. Well, there's two big reasons. And the first one is that having it inside of Airtable like this makes it really easy to contrast and compare the outcomes. You can edit the prompts. It's like a central hub of organization. But the biggest thing is the fact that we're doing this inside of an AI agent ecosystem, right? It's not about just creating images. The images are only part of the equation. It's the fact that we can start combining this with more and more tools to automate every part of the marketing experience, right? I can put in another tool that does copy, and then I can take the images and take the copy and push that out to LinkedIn, push that out to Instagram, do whatever I want with it. I can hook it up with Shopify, I can hook it up with Canva, right? You're putting it in this entire ecosystem, this entire infrastructure that allows you to automate the whole process and leverage AI every step of the way. So if you're looking for tools that do just that, or this one in particular, I have the templates and guides of how to do that in my community. Also have a deep dive in my YouTube. So make sure to check it out. I think this is a really cool automation, a really neat AI workflow, and this is where the design space in this area is heading.